Brothers from distant lands, friends of old, you've been summoned here to decide on the day of Eid. Each mosque is bound to this fate, this one moon.
But it is Eid. It is Eid for the Arabs and the Asians. Why not celebrate tomorrow? Let us not fast for one more day. We have hungered for too long.
We all feel hunger, but we are not Arabs. The moon must be seen in this country itself. We must follow our eyes.
And what would a Shafi know of this matter? He is no mere Shafi. He is Abdul, son of Abdul. He has his own telescope. Islam has no telescope. Islam needs no telescope.
You have only one choice. The moon must be seen in Britain. One of you must do this.
One does not simply ignore Saudi Arabia. The British sky is covered in clouds all year long. Your little telescope will see nothing.
We have photos of the moon from the last 5 years.
If we fail, what then? What happens if we see nothing in the night sky?